Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're on page 111 of your student journal, and we are on lesson 7. So page 111 on lesson 7. And our objective or our goal today is, today I will continue moving on a coordinate plane. So today we're going to just be doing more of what we had practiced yesterday. Okay, so remember yesterday we said we didn't have any new vocabulary, and for our notes section we added some notes. We said that we're always going to mark or make the point, because that tends to throw people off. And then we said that we're going to label 1 and 2, our first and our second location. We're going to make sure we're labeled so we're not giving directions from the wrong area. Okay, so what does this look like again? I'm going to do a quick reminder for you and show you some. Here's my first problem, and I grabbed my red pen so you do not have this problem. It says, how can I tell someone how to get from the gas station, which is my first location, to the town hall, which is my second location? And they tell me the gas station is located at 4-3. So my X is 4, my Y is 3. So my gas station is right here. So that's my first location. And then my town hall is located, my X is 7, my Y is 6. I might need to use my fingers for that one. This is my second location. Okay, so now that I have my points made and they're labeled my first and second location, now I'm just going to give some directions. So I'm going to go not left, but I would need to go right. 1, 2, 3 right. And I need to go 1, 2, 3 up. And that's how they would get from their first location to their second. Okay, let's see another one of these. Leah's house is located 2 blocks up and 5 blocks to the right of the ice cream parlor, 3-3. What are the coordinates of Leah's house? Okay, so it's really hard to see there, but that looks like an ice cream cone to me. And the 3-3 belongs to this, because the X is 3 and the Y is 3. So this is where we are, and they tell me that Leah's house is 2 blocks up. Okay, so it's 2 blocks up, so we can go 1, 2, and then it's 5 blocks to the right of the ice cream parlor. So it's on the right side of the ice cream parlor. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And that should be Leah's house. So they want to know the coordinates, which are always X, Y. So my X is 8, and my Y is 5. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, let's try some together. I'm going to turn my page. You should be on page 112. And let's read our first set of directions. Say, how can I tell someone how to get from the police station 8-1 to the art gallery 1-8? Okay, so our police station is going to be our first spot, and our art gallery is going to be our second spot. And our police station's coordinates are X is 8 and Y is 1. So let's first find that. So on my X axis, let's find my 8. And on my Y axis, I have a 1. So here is my police station. That's going to be my first spot, my first location. And then my art gallery is the opposite. They're trying to trick us there. My X is 1 and my Y is 8, which means it's right up here. So that's our second location. So now that we have those marked, we can just tell them how they're going to get from their first spot to their second. So we're obviously going to have to go left. Left is that direction. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have to go 7 left. And let's see how many up we have to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 7 up. And those are our coordinates for that one. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, our next one says, the library is located 8 blocks down from the playground. 0, 8. What are the coordinates of the library? Okay, so it's pretty clear that this is our playground because I see a slide. Okay, and they also gave me the coordinates of this, saying that this is 0, 8. So if you notice, the X is at 0 and the Y is at 8. So this is where we're starting, and they tell me the library is 8 blocks down. They don't give me any left-right directions here, just 8 down. So let's go 8 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it looks like our library is there. So we could say the X for my library is 0, the Y is 0. Hopefully you know that we could also call that the origin. The library is located at the origin. Okay, so today, ladies and gentlemen, you actually have quite a few problems you're going to be practicing on your own. You have page 113, 114, and 115. Have a nice afternoon. Bye-bye.